Good morning, dear children. Welcome to Standard 4 subject GK. Today, moral science day only, but I am taking these revisions. That is why I kept today I am taking this class. Okay, and all of you listen to me carefully. Lesson 26, Champions Performance. Everyone looks forward to waiting the Olympic Games that are held once in every 4 years. Here is a glimpse of some records made down the years. Have you kept track of them? Name the medal winner. From here I will ask choose the correct answer from the following and fill in the blanks. Complete the sentence, write true or false. Anywhere I can ask the questions, all of you, all the lessons thoroughly read and study. Okay? Then only you can write the exam. At the Montreal Olympics in 1976, she became the first gymnast in Olympics history to be awarded a perfect score of 10 for her performance on the uneven bars. This young Romanian champion was then only 14 years old. Her name is Nadia Comaneci. This track and field athlete shot into flame the 1936 Summer Olympics in Berlin, Germany, by winning 4 Olympic gold medals. He is Jesse Awards. In the 1972 Summer Olympics in Munich, Germany, this swimmer won 7 gold medals in a single Olympic Games. No other athlete holds such a record. His name Mark Sitz. Okay, Mark Sitz. Then he is a track and field athlete who won 9 gold medals at the Olympic Games. He is Carl Lewis. Okay, his name Carl Lewis. Track and field athlete who won 9 gold medals at the Olympic Games. He is Carl Lewis. A look at India's performance at the Olympics so far. India has won 8 gold, 1 silver and 2 bronze medals in hockey at the Olympic Games. Leander Paes was the first Indian tennis player to win an Olympic bronze medal. These all things you have to study well. Okay. Rajvardhan Singh, another Karan Manswari, the weightlifter, the Ranvardhan Singh, the army officer of first Indian win silver medal in shooting at the 204 Summer Olympics. Okay, and another lesson InfoSong. This lesson also you have to read and study thoroughly. The Olympic Games. Here I can ask these are 4 types question I can ask from here also. Okay. As you grow up, you will develop more interest in Olympic Games. Before you watch it, learn a little about the oldest sports event in the world. How it began. The Olympic Games began in 776 BC, Olympia, Greece. In the beginning, the Olympic Games had only short foot races. They were a part of celebration at the temple of Zeus, the Greek god. The winners were crowned with a wreath of olive leaves. They were given the status of the hero and statues were erected to honor them. The Olympic Games were held by 4 years. How many years giving the Olympic Games? Every 4 years. And the period between 2 celebrations is known as Olympiad. The 2 celebrations known as Olympiad. The Greek used Olympiads as one of their methods to count years. Summer and Winter Olympics. Inspired by Pierre de Coubertin, a French scholar, the first modern Olympics was held in Athens, Greece in 1896. At that time, only men competed. Women competed for the first time only at the second Olympic Games that took place in Paris, France. So far through there have been threats of terrorism and boycotts, and Olympic Games have never been cancelled except during the two world wars. The Olympic Games is an international multi-sport event held in a modern stadium. Athletes from various nations compete in races, gymnastics, swimming, jumping, and many other sports. There are two Olympic Games, the Summer Olympics and the Winter Olympics. Until 1992, they were held in the same year. Since then, they have been held 2 years apart, the symbol and the ceremony. The ancient Olympic Games did not have any symbol. The symbol of the interconnecting rings became an important part of the modern Olympic Games. It represents 5 circles or rings joined together. The rings are green, yellow, blue, red, and black. The host nation always marches last in the parade at the opening ceremony of the Olympics. Everyone watches in excitement. The Olympics, as the Olympics flame is lit. The Olympic motto is Situs Actus Fortus, which means faster, higher, stronger. What is the motto of Olympics? Situs Actus Fortus. That means faster, higher, stronger. It does seem as if the participants are going faster, higher, or stronger with their skill and talent each time. How now athletes from nearly no nations across the world participate in the Olympic. Take a look at the venue since 1896. Okay, this is all you have to study well. Okay, then only you can write the question answer. Okay, thank you children. This is all you have to, 4 lessons you have to study well. Okay, thank you children.